what causes landslides, and how to prevent them. Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, the channel where we uncover the science behind engineering and natural phenomena. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most destructive forces, landslides. What causes them, and how can we prevent these disasters? Let's find out. Understanding landslides. A landslide is the movement of rock, soil, or debris down a slope under the influence of gravity. These events can range from small, localized movements to massive flows that devastate entire regions. While landslides are natural phenomena, human activities and climate changes often exacerbate their frequency and severity. Natural causes of landslides. The primary natural triggers for landslides include intense rainfall, earthquakes, volcanic activity, and the natural weathering of rocks. For instance, heavy rainfall saturates the soil, reducing its cohesion and causing it to slide. Earthquakes can destabilize slopes by shaking loose materials, while volcanic eruptions often lead to landslides through the rapid accumulation of volcanic debris. The role of geology. Geology plays a crucial role in landslides. Weak, fractured, or weathered rocks are more likely to fail, especially when combined with steep slopes. For example, clay-rich soils are prone to landslides because they lose strength when wet. Similarly, sedimentary layers with varying permeability can create water pressure imbalances, leading to slope failure. Human activities and landslides. Human actions, such as deforestation, mining, and unplanned urban development, significantly contribute to landslides. Removing vegetation destabilizes slopes by eliminating root systems that bind the soil. Excavation and construction often alter natural drainage patterns, increasing the likelihood of slope instability. Poorly planned infrastructure on slopes can trigger disasters, especially in regions prone to heavy rainfall or seismic activity. Warning signs of landslides. Recognizing the warning signs of landslides can save lives. These signs include cracks appearing on slopes, tilting trees or poles, sudden changes in water flow from springs, and small rock falls. Monitoring these indicators is essential for early warning systems in landslide-prone areas. Engineering solutions to prevent landslides. Modern engineering offers effective solutions to mitigate landslides. Techniques like slope grading, retaining walls, and soil stabilization help reduce risks. Drainage systems are critical for controlling water flow and preventing soil saturation. Vegetative cover and reforestation are natural methods to stabilize slopes, while advanced geotechnical studies ensure safe construction practices in vulnerable regions. Case studies, successful prevention. Countries like Japan and Switzerland have implemented robust landslide prevention measures. For example, Japan uses extensive drainage networks and retaining walls in mountainous areas to prevent landslides triggered by earthquakes and heavy rain. Switzerland employs early warning systems and reforestation projects to stabilize slopes in its alpine regions. Building resilience against landslides. Addressing landslides requires a combination of engineering expertise, environmental stewardship, and community awareness. Policies promoting sustainable land use, disaster preparedness, and investment in geotechnical research can significantly reduce landslide risks. By working with nature rather than against it, we can protect lives and infrastructure. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of landslides and their prevention. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the world of engineering and natural phenomena. Together, we turn every challenge into an opportunity for resilience. See you in the next video.